Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us again, and please subscribe. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw. We love hearing from you guys. Definitely want those subscribers and those subscriptions to go up, so let us know by clicking that subscribe button. Today we are going to draw a football player, NFL football player for the Los Angeles Rams, Puka Nacua. He's a wide receiver, rookie wide receiver, doing great things this year for the Rams. He played high school football in Orem, Utah, played for the BYU Cougars, was drafted in the 5th round to the Rams. Basically took over for Cooper Kupp when Cooper Kupp got injured, and he made waves. He's doing awesome right now. So we're going to draw Puka Nacua, one of the most popular players, wide receivers right now in the NFL. So let's get started. Find the center of your paper up and down, the center of your paper across. We're going to get our dark marker here, pointed tip, and we're going to draw Puka Nacua's head right up here. Puka Nacua has a straight jaw, down, angle in, chin, angle up. So he's very straight and sharp there. Get an ear on the side, ear on that side, bump out, arch kind of down to a point, similar to like a Dracula look. So you got that point right there. All right, so we're gonna do a couple of ovals, a little bit bump up. So what we're gonna do is kind of these angled eyes, turn them into ovals, there. A white circle there, white circle on the inside, small white circle in the corner, arch, and we're going to fill in these eyes with our dark marker here, leaving those white circles and arches white, because those are the highlights of the eyes. And if you've seen our drawings, we leave these highlights to bring our characters to life a little bit more. The highlights are like the reflections of the lights, the reflections of the sun, and really add character. So then what I like to do is I grab a light blue really quick and I fill in this area, this arch area, with a color like blue, just to represent maybe like a reflection of the stadium lights off the player's eyes. Okay, get your dark marker again. Puka Nacua's got thick eyebrows, so we're gonna go up, and we're gonna curve around the eye, up and curve around the eye, and drop down. Now we're just gonna connect up, curve, and to a point, curve, and to a point. And we fill these in with our dark marker here. And now we're gonna draw the nose really quickly. So bring the edge of the eye down, dot, the edge of the eye down, dot, slant down, those are the nostrils. And the lip, he's got kind of this sharp lip. Smile. There we go. So basically it's a sharp point, like that. Okay, so let's do the neck. Angle in from the jaw, down to a V point. Bump out for the shoulder pad, bump out for the shoulder pad, rounded shoulder pad on that side, rounded shoulder pad on that side. Now just angle down to the waist. Now remember, Puka Nacua is a wide receiver, so he's got a skinnier waist. He's got to run fast from the defense. So there's the torso. We're gonna do a big football over here. Curve, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers holding onto that football. Now his muscle bumps out and then goes into that football. Bumps out and goes into that football there. Over here we're gonna have him do something fun. He's gonna be doing a hang loose sign, kind of like this, right? A shaka. Okay, so here we go. Watch closely or press pause if you need to. We're gonna do down, bump, up. Okay, So it's kind of like a W, down, up, and out. That's the thumb and that's the pinky. Thumb goes, now these are the knuckles. 1, 2, 3, and the pinky. 1, 2, 3. So it gives you the idea that he's kind of doing this symbol right here, the shaka symbol, like, yeah, hang loose. Bump, bump into the hand. There we go. Okay. So now he wears his untucked shirt right here, and now his pants curve up, down, and curve into the shirt right there. Skinnier body, skinny legs. Now start wide and go down to a skinny ankle. He's a fast wide receiver. Had many opportunities to watch this guy play in college, live. Exciting player. So I'm excited that he's doing great in the NFL now. Bump, bump for the tongue of the shoe. Now we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. Go out to the edge. Bring that toe out to the edge. Come straight across to the heel, and we're gonna stop. Connect. Bring that heel down and connect to the toe. Boom. Okay. Now the cool part is we're gonna draw his hair. He's got these long swooping hair, so we're gonna kind of curve out. 1 swoop, 2 swoops, 3, and goes behind. We're kind of exaggerating it. It's kind of fun. That's what's fun about doing these cartoons. Bump out, swoop, 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 and down to the shoulder. Looking good. Alrighty, cool. So we're gonna grab our yellow marker really quick to do these stripes on the edge of the shoulder pads. Start skinny up here, curve, start skinny and get wider to the armpit. Now we're gonna do, actually I'm gonna do it in blue, so get my blue. The number 17, okay. Straight down, over, down, over, curve and connect, okay? Now the number 7, down, over, up, over, angle down to the bottom, over, over, curve, angle down and connect. So if you need to do that slower, practice on a different paper, go for it. This area is going to be blue. This area is going to be blue. We're going to do a blue stripe on the side of the pants over here. Blue stripe over here, side of the pants. We'll do blue socks, and we are going to hit fast forward. Thank you for joining us. I'm Hey Kids Let's Draw, Puka Nacua of the Los Angeles Rams. Subscribe, you guys. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next in those comments. We love hearing from you guys. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and definitely on YouTube. Fast forward now.